Hey guys, Souljah here. I just want to let you guys know I got myself a iPhone 6s. Yeah, from Music Magpie. So this is the box they sent me. Yeah, I just got it today. It was supposed to come yesterday or the day before, but somehow it was taking a while to come because it came from Manchester. Yeah, so I got it this morning, I believe. So right now I'm just gonna open it for the first time. Yeah, the iPhone 6s. I hope it looks good compared to the 5S I've got from iPhone. Yeah, I got it on what day? I got it during Black Friday weekend. Yeah, so I hope it goes well. I hope it goes well. See what it looks like. Okay, so they put airbag here. All right, let's see what they did. So they put an airbag. Yeah, it says that they put the screen wiper inside. Okay, and this is the USB cable. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just gonna open this and see what it looks like. I hope it's in good condition. I just gotta take it out carefully. This is my first time taking it out. Yeah. Okay. 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 Sweet. Whoa. Whoa. Hold on. Let me just get on focus. Whoa. Whoa. It's looking nice. Whoa. This is mad. Yeah. Okay. Just a bit of mess here. Hope we can get it focus. Okay. Yeah. See that mess there? And somehow the Apple logo shiny. Yeah. It's looking nice. Not bad. Not bad. See? Not a lot of scratches. Yeah, but I'll give it a clean. I'll give it a clean. Yeah. Alright. So let's see what happens when I turn on this phone. Okay, needs charging. Alright guys, what I'll do is this. I'll just give this one a charge and let you know how it goes. Yeah, so this is my first time getting it from MusicMagpie. Yeah, so the original price I got it for was £250. Yeah, so 249.99. But because I got it during Black Friday, I got it 10% off. So it came up to 224.99. Yeah, so run up the number, that is £225. Yeah, it's mad, mad, mad. Well, I'm impressed. Yeah, in gold. White and gold. Mad upgrade, mad something. Yeah. So, yeah, yeah, so compared to my 5S, it's, oh yeah, it's silver in it, and obviously the phone's smaller. Yeah, yeah, I'll give you guys a look. Hold on, hold on. Yeah, so this is my PS3, but I don't get PS4. Yeah, this is my old computer I had. Yeah, yeah, in one of my previous videos in the past when I was talking about it while I was sorting out my Dell. Yeah, my son. See this? 5S, 6S. Mm-hmm. Just 7 inches bigger. Yeah. Same screen resolution. Yeah, and same um per pixel image or something like that. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy this. Yeah, it's a bad look for me. See, yeah, I don't see any scratches. Yeah, it seems like someone who had this phone looked after it pretty well. So once again, it came out beautiful. Yeah, mad thing. Yeah. So guys, if you want to get this phone, yeah, I'll put down the link. Yeah, you can get for that £249 or maybe £225 like me, or maybe a bit more, depending on what network you want to use. Yeah, because this one is Vodafone. Yeah, same for this one as well. Yeah, it's a mad upgrade, mad upgrade. So guys, I hope you have a lovely day. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Yeah, yeah. So don't forget to like. By the way, guys, the iPhone 6s got 64 gigabytes of storage. Yeah. So yeah, so you can get the phone from £219, I believe. Yeah. And then I mean, yeah, I mean, if there's wait, if there's gonna be a 10%, then you'll be lucky. If not, it's still worth it to get it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, in that condition, it'll brilliant look. So guys, like I said, thank you for watching this video once again. Yeah, and I hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, please like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Yeah. Yeah, so the more subscribers, the better the content gets. Yeah, for sure. We'll support, for sure. Blessed love. I'm out. Peace.